and a warm welcome back to my channel. My name's Danielle Collins. I'm world leading face yoga expert. I have been teaching face yoga to millions of people around the world for over 18 years now. And today we are going to do a deep dive into my facial tool cabinet. Now, I brought what you can see behind me here down from upstairs in my dressing room because I want to show you the contents of all of this and all of this and how I use them. So we'll keep it fairly quick, although I think this may be a little bit of a longer video than usual. So let's start off with this little one here, and I'm going to take you through what is in these little drawers here. Okay, so let's start off with this top drawer here. These are my facial ice globes. Now, I have some facial ice globes also in the fridge. I think I also have some in the freezer at the moment as well, because I've got quite a few of these. Now, these are by Frasher Paris, and I do have a discount code for you for these. These were kindly gifted to me. And I absolutely love using these to depuff the skin and for some really nice cryotherapy. So what cryotherapy does is it helps to take down any swelling and any puffiness in the skin. It's also very good for reducing the appearance of large pores. So it's not going to shrink the pores long term, but if you short term want your pores to look a little bit smaller, using these straight from the fridge is a really, really good thing to do. So that's my first one. We'll go a little bit quicker. Let's go into the second one. So I have here two lovely Cancer ones. Now I love both of these. This one is from Morley Rituals, and again I have a discount code for you for this one. This one was kindly gifted to me by Jasmine Hemsley. Now these are based around Ayurveda tools. Now in Ayurveda, in Indian medicine, these tools have been used for many, many hundreds, probably thousands of years. Now, I love using these after I've applied my Fusion by Danielle Collins Moisturizing Serum. So I pop that on first and I do a quick massage with one of these tools. And it's designed to help draw impurities out the skin, boost the blood circulation. It's made with metal here and wood here. It glides beautifully over the skin. I have lots of videos on how to use these as well. Then I also have here, and I forget where this one's from, but this is like for, you can scoop out the end skincare, but this is to do little acupressure points on the skin, which is really lovely. And I also have a spoon in here as well. Let me show you the spoon. Now the spoon is great for working underneath the eyes, helps to reduce any puffiness. You can do a full massage with this after you've applied your Fusion by Danielle Collins Moisturizing Serum. It's really lovely, quick, easy, and free usually, because most of us have one of these, way to massage your skin. Okay, and then at the bottom of this drawer, let me lift it up again to show you. So this bottom drawer, I have two little tools. To be honest, I don't use these as much really. Now this one I was gifted. It's called Glitz Toy. And this one I bought many, many years ago from the Body Shop. And they are just very simple massage tools. So you work up the face and they're really just designed to boost the blood circulation. So I really like these, but actually it's funny, isn't it, how you go certain tools a lot more and then other ones you don't use as much. I tend to really use my intuition in terms of what tools I use each day, but I probably use at least one tool every day, if not a few. And I tend to use the tools after my face yoga, and I tend to do my face yoga practice in the evening. There's no better time to do it, but that's what I do. And then I tend to use a tool after, or in the morning when I'm much more rushed, I tend to grab one of these tools and do whatever my skin needs that day. So that's those drawers. And then let's get these ones out. So let's start with the top drawer. Some lovely wood products here. So I have a really nice head comb here, which is gifted to me from Jasmine Hemsley, and that is just designed to massage into your scalp, which is very, very beneficial for helping to boost the circulation in the head. As you do that, you're also lifting through the face area, releases a lot of stress and tension. I was also gifted by the lovely Katie Brindle from Hey You this really nice face tapper as well. So just literally tapping along the face, really helping that chi, that life force energy just move through the face. And I tend to use that on dry skin, so before I've applied anything to my face. Now this comb here, which you can get on my website, faceyogaexpert.com, is a really lovely massage tool for the head area. You can also use it on the body. It's really nice to use on the thigh area as well. It really helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite. But I use this pretty much every day, and I tend to take out these drawers quite a lot, put it by my bedside. In fact, when I brought these drawers down, I went and grabbed this from my bedside because I really like using it either before bed to release some tension in the head or when I wake up in the morning. Another really nice tool, which is made by the Hey You method, is this body gua sha. So this is made from stainless steel, and I really like using it for down the shoulder area and the neck area as well. Okay, so bottom drawer here are these beautiful facial cups. So I've got quite a lot in the facial cup drawer there, as you can see. Now, all these green ones here were gifted to me by the facial cupping expert, and she is fantastic. And I really like using particularly this size one here for between the eyebrow area and around the forehead area as well. I've also got some little glass ones as well, which are quite nice to do. So you can just use that sucker action to suck onto your skin and then gently pull along. And these pinky colour ones here, I think I got from Amazon quite a while ago. And I just don't tend to like the feel of these ones quite as much as the ones from the facial cupping expert. And what I like also about the facial cups is there's little small ones here that you can use for around your lip area too. So they are very good for helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and releasing a lot of tension. Okay, so that's those drawers. Let's go on to the gua sha little unit now. Okay, so I love a gua sha, as you well know. I even do a teacher training course, so you can train to be a gua sha teacher. Now this top drawer here is probably my most used drawer, and I have all these gua shas which you can get on my website, faceyogaexpert.com. They're made by the Hey You method, and we stock them on our website. There's free delivery all around the world. So what I always do is I'll apply my Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturising serum, and then I'll use my gua sha. So this is my favourite one. So this is my favourite jade one. I've also got another jade one, and you can see the difference there. Jade is obviously a natural stone, so you are going to get every gua sha completely different. This one's a little bit thicker and shinier, this one's a bit thinner, a little bit rougher, but still super smooth on the skin. So if I'm doing both together, I'll use both because it's nice to use the same crystal. But if I'm just going to use one, I tend to like the feel of this one, but it's very, very individual. So with your gua sha, you will start to love your gua sha in your own way because they are so unique. Now, also on my website, you can get these other two gua shas. Now, the jade is a good sort of all-round crystal. So for any skin type, you can use it at any point in the day. If you know you have a little bit more sensitive skin, or maybe you've got a slightly more mature skin, or maybe slightly younger sort of teenage skin, or you like doing your gua sha in the morning, I definitely recommend this rose quartz gua sha. It's a real self-love healing crystal, and it's really, really beneficial for your skin in the morning time. The other one, which you can get on my website, which I absolutely love, is this really nice clear quartz gua sha. So it's known as the Master Healer, and this one is very good if you tend to get quite stressed skin. Maybe you find you feel quite stressed in your mind regularly. Maybe you like doing your gua sha in the evening. It is such a lovely evening crystal. It's very soothing as well. And if you can, get all three. I mean, they are all absolutely beautiful, all have really different uses, and you can use them all at different points in the day. Okay, let me place those back in there and let's go to the second drawer in this little cabinet. So let's put those in. Okay, gouaches here that I don't use as much actually. I have got another jade gua sha, again made by the Hey You method, stocked on our website. Again, a completely different feel again. Just this one doesn't resonate with me as much as the other two, and that's what I mean. They are all so individual, but I still do absolutely love this one. I have got a really nice, and I'm trying to remember where this one's from. I'm not sure, but this is a beautiful amethyst crystal, and it's a really lovely shaped gua sha as well. Now, this one here is from Rosenthal, and it was gifted to me, as is this lovely heart gua sha. So both really good crystals, and I really like using those. But like I say, don't use them quite as regularly. I probably get those ones out maybe about once a month. Now, I really love a precision gua sha. I've got a whole little shelf of those. Sorry, I'm banging these around all the time, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you actually the 4 different ones that I have here. I have 2 of the clear quartz actually here. Now, these are all wonderful for working smaller areas of the face. So I really like it between the eyebrows, really like it for helping to reduce lines and wrinkles in that area. I like using it around the mouth area. I really like using them under the eye area as well. And you've got all those beautiful crystal healing benefits with these, but they are exactly what the name says on the tin, which is precision. So they are working a little bit more precisely with certain areas that you are looking to help really with that blood flow, with that life force energy, and to reduce lines and wrinkles in that area. So let's pop these back up here now. And let's get the final cabinet gently coming down. And we are looking still at crystal tools here. I'm just going to try and show you a little bit more there. Hopefully you can see into there. So we are looking at crystal rollers to start off with. So here I have one again. This is for a brand called Rosenthal. So this is an amethyst roller. And I also have a beautiful white one here as well, a clear quartz one. So they are lovely. I probably don't use those rollers as much as I use the ones in the next drawer. Again, just for intuitive reasons. You know, really I am drawn to certain crystals more than others. Now these are both great. One doesn't have a battery in, but one does. And this one here is by Aliso Beauty. And you turn it on, you put a little battery, I'm just trying to open it there to show you where you put the battery in the end there. And it's got a little vibrating action to it. So it's really nice for helping to just naturally stimulate the muscles, and you just work in a really nice massaging action. So let me pop both of those back in, put that drawer back in. And it's been really nice actually having these little drawers, because I can now see all my tools. It really allows me to pick out what I need for that day, whether it be to make a video like this or for what I need for myself. Now this drawer here has a few more crystal rollers in. I've got a really nice obsidian one there. And I've got these 2, which you can get on my website. And these are the 2 that I use so much. And that's why I stock on my website the tools which I love the most, because I want to be giving you guys something which I'm using myself either every day or every other day. So it's the rose quartz roller. So I'll often use this in the morning. I'll cleanse, tone, apply my Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturizing serum, use this for about a minute. It really helps to soothe the skin. It's very good self-love healing crystal, so really working with the heart chakra. So I feel really nourished after using it. The jade I tend to use at any point in the day where I feel like I want to just calm my mind. I want my skin to look brighter. I want my blood circulation to really have that really nice boost as well. So I'll often use this one in the evening as well, actually. So let me pop those back in there, and then we can go into our final drawer. Now, I've also got loads of high-tech facial tools, and let me know in the comments whether you would like me to do one of these for my more high-tech tools. So these are ones which are a little bit more expensive, but they are a little bit deeper working into the skin. So final draw is the mushroom gua shas. So I have, in fact, I've got two of them down here because I just filmed with them, so I'm going to pick those back up. I've got these ones here, which are from Almora Botanica, and I love these jade ones. They're absolutely beautiful. I've got two other jade ones here, and I can't remember where I got these from, but they're lovely. I have got a clear quartz one, which I was gifted by the Hey You method, really nice evening one. And the jade, by the way, you can use at any point in the day. I've got a really nice obsidian one there, and I've got four actually of rose quartz, and I think I got these from Almora Botanica as well. I think they were gifted to me by them. So again, same thing as with the gua sha and the roller, these mushroom gua sha crystals, you can really use at any point in the day. But if you use a jade at any point in the day, clear quartz in the evening, rose quartz in the morning, that works really nicely. And what I love about these mushroom ones, exactly what I'm doing here now, you can hold them in your hands and you can focus on your breath. And you can get the beautiful healing qualities of this crystal into your hand. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Some of the tools you have got a few discount codes with, they are affiliate codes. Other tools you can get on my website, faceyogaexpert.com. All the information's been throughout the video. You can also ask any questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Take care, bye bye.